Hi everybody, it's Scratching with Holly, but...
Holly wants to do the scratching.
She wants to do the scratching. She's in my chair. Yeah, you gotta leave.
Good luck with that.
All right, I got it. You want to push over there and you want to watch me scratch? We'll just do it this way. I'll get another chair and you can watch me, okay? Okay. Not talking to me. She must be tired. She doesn't talk when she's tired. Okay, so what do we got? We got my favorites. And it is 5 and 6. So, set for life. All right, let's do the first.
$10?
$10, New York State.
What can you get?
What can you get? Well, what do you think? A coin or a star, which wins 10 times the prize, or life, where you win $5,000 a week for life.
You get that?
Yeah, I'll get that one. That's all right. I'll just go for a trifecta.
Holly, any luck on these tickets?
I didn't ask her. She was sleeping.
On your chair?
Yeah, she's kind of sleeping on my chair. So I had to get another chair.
Well, you sit in her box then.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, so.
Found a sunbeam.
Yeah, she's like all curled up here. She's like, oh, I found sun. I'm going to lay in the sun. All right.
Weirdo.
2, 3, not my Holly. 13, 18, 23, 24.
You said, where was 3?
Huh?
I didn't see a 3.
2, 7, 13, 18, 23, 24.
Got it. So 7.
Did I say it wrong?
Yeah, you said 2, 3 instead of 2, 7.
Oh. And we have chicken legs 11. 14, close but not a match. And an 8, close but not a match. 10. And little 1. Okay, nothing on that one. 20. Little 3.
See, we wish we had that 3 instead of the 7.
Yeah. 16. 28. Nothing that high.
Holly, we need luck.
6. She's too busy catching sunbeams here. 29. Oh, 9. 22, 23, 24. 27, nothing that high. And, oh, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner. Okay, now you did, half the job's done. Now get the life under it.
Yeah, yeah.
All right,
that
so
would
do
be
that.
Cool. That would be, yeah. That
Big
would
zeros.
that would be better than a trifecta. Well, it's a $10 win.
It's a $10 ticket.
So we don't complain.
Nope, we won. We
Yep.
Get the
The
scratch
winner's a
another
winner.
day. Yep.
18, 18.
All right.
And I don't see any other winners on there. So
Yeah.
that was ticket 6.
Better than nothing. We'll take it.
We'll go to ticket 5. Okay, what do we got? My favorite tickets. 29 high. Little 4. 16. 6. 28. And baby 1.
All right.
1, 4, 6, 16, 28, 29. Oh, close.
Close. One off.
I thought it was going to be a winner. All right, 30, no 30, too high. 7, too high. Nope, no match. 19, no match. 17, no match.
One off.
We have a 16. 9. 23. 8. Lucky 13. 27. We have the 28. Last row. Chicken legs. 11.
It's an aggressive bath, or what's she doing? Just playing in the
No,
sunbeam?
she's just playing.
You don't normally lay in this chair ever.
No, she's just playing.
And now
Just
we're
gonna
gonna
scratch my head.
wash your tail.
With a chicken leg in the air.
Yeah, dirty tail.
Oh, my tail is so dirty. Gotta catch it. And my foot too. What's it doing way up
What are you
there?
filming me for? I'm taking a bath.
All right. We'll go back to the ticket. 5. We have the 4 and the 6. 14. No 14. 12. No 12. And a 22. So this one was wah, wah, wah. But we did win 10 on my other ticket.
Better than nothing.
Absolutely. Because you always win on these. Most every time I win on these. Might be a little, but sometimes it's a lot. All right, folks, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And good luck with your scratching.